Hey everyone, my name is Michelle. Thank you for joining me today for this gentle Vinyasa flow for calm and to reset both our minds and our bodies. So whether you're getting ready to start your day or end your day, this is a quick flow you can squeeze into your day. You find a little bit of reset for both mind and body. Let's begin in our easy seat. So maybe closing the eyes or finding that soft gaze. Getting to drop into the body. And we'll just begin with a deep in-breath through the nose. Exhale with the entire body, let it go. And again, deep in-breath. Exhale, let that breath wash over you. And again, deep in-breath. And exhale, allowing our bodies to soften. And just gently begin to dip your chin towards the chest, finding length through the back of the neck. And back through center, send that chin towards the sky, finding that length through the front of the body. Back to center, right ear towards right shoulder. And back to center, left ear to left shoulder. And gently back to center. Just find some gentle half circles with the head. So dropping that chin, send that head gently towards that right ear. Chin back towards the chest, sending that ear towards the left shoulder. Let's go through that a couple of times. Just finding that half circle here. And let's do one more. To that right. And to that left. And gently back to center. If the eyes have been closed, you can gently blink them open. Find that focal point slightly ahead of you. Inhale, sending the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. We can gently release and come out of our easy seat. Let's bring our feet flat to the top of the mat. We'll gently make our way down to our backs. Just take a moment here, feeling that support beneath you. Let's take a deep in-breath and exhale. So we'll gently flow through bridge pose. So just sending the hips up high, knees are stacked over those ankles, engaging those legs. On the inhale, sending the hips high. Exhale, gently lower. And again, inhale. Exhale. Just feeling strength through the feet, through those legs. Inhale. And exhale. On that next inhale with bridge pose, let's send those arms overhead. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. Gentle release. Two more here. Inhale. Press strong through those feet. Exhale. One more here. Inhale. And exhale. And gently release the knees to the right side of the mat. Breathing through that left side of the body. Inhale. And exhale. One more here. Inhale. And exhale gently back through center. Let's drop those knees to that left side of the mat. Arms wherever you would like to place them. Breathing through that right side. Inhale. Exhale. Just settling into the hips, into the body. Inhale. And exhale. Gently back through center. Take some gentle sways here with those knees, just feeling through those hips. And gently release to your side of choice. And gently making our way up. So let's meet in tabletop position. Shoulders over those wrists, hips are over those knees. Let's work through a couple of cat-cows here. Inhale, pulling the shoulder blades down and back. Exhale, rounding out the back. And again, inhale, heart forward and out. Exhale, send that tailbone under. One more here, inhale, and exhale. And gently back through center. From here, we will move from either tabletop to down dog, or you can find your plank position into down dog. So for my first one, I'm going to start from this tabletop position. Tucking those toes under, send your hips up high into down dog. Maybe pedaling through those feet, equal weight into hands and feet. Deepen breath. And exhale. Let's make our way back into tabletop, or again, back into plank position. The crease of that elbow towards the top of the mat. Inhale, pull that navel to the spine. Exhale, send your hips up high. Maybe pedaling through the feet, feeling through the backs of the legs. Let's shift back into tabletop or plank. Inhale and exhale. Two more like that. Inhale and exhale. One more here. Inhale and exhale. Option one, stay here. Two, send that right leg to the sky. Inhale. And then exhale, send that right leg through, lifting through those hips, maybe using that hand to help assist you. Release your left knee down to the mat, finding your low lunge here. Pressing your hips forward, finding length through the neck. Inhale and exhale. Pressing into that right block or into the mat, sending that left arm to the sky. Inhale, exhale, take a gentle lean up and over to that right side. Feeling through that left hip flexor. Also still pressing strong into that left leg, into that right foot. Inhale, exhale, back through center, gently release that left hand down. Release that right foot back to meet the left. Again, coming from tabletop, let's tuck those toes under, send your hips up high into down dog. Inhale and exhale. On that inhale, maybe sending left leg to the sky, three-legged dog. And then exhale, sending that foot through, finding your low lunge. Pressing those hips forward, left knee stacked over that left ankle. Deepen breath. Exhale. Pressing into that left hand blocker mat, right arm to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, up and over to that left side. So pressing into that right leg, right knee. Pressing into that left foot. Feeling stable in this position. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale back through center. And exhale, release. Let's release that left leg back. Tuck those toes under, send your hips up high into down dog. So option one, stay here. We'll meet in warrior one, or two, send that right leg to the sky. Three-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale, step the foot through to the hands. Find warrior one. Press strong through the outer edge of that back foot. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, take a gentle lean forward here. Just gonna let those arms flow like you're flowing through water here. Send that right arm behind, left arm forward. Inhale. Exhale, switch. Find your focal point slightly ahead. Inhale. Exhale. Two more here. Press away from the earth. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, arms overhead, straighten through that back. And to exhale, release the hands to blocks or mat. Come on to the ball of your back foot. Release that knee. Release that left knee. Maybe sending hands to blocks, maybe arms overhead. Inhale and to exhale, release. Back through tabletop, tuck those toes under, send your hips up high. Down dog. Deepen breath. And to exhale. Option one, stay here. Two, send that left leg to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, step the foot through to the hands. Find your warrior one. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, gentle, lean forward. Left arm back, right arm ahead of you. Inhale. Exhale, let those arms flow. Again, inhale, exhale, neck in line with the spine. Inhale, exhale, press away from the earth. Inhale, arms overhead, straighten through that back. Exhale, release those hands, come onto the ball of your back foot. Release that right knee down. On the inhale, maybe sending those arms overhead, maybe a gentle lean back, and exhale, release. Release that left foot back to meet the right. Tuck those toes under, send your hips up high into down dog. Deep bend in those knees, walk, step, or jump the feet to the hands. Body is heavy here. Gently roll up. Head is the last part to come up. Send those shoulders forward. Inhale, exhale, down and back. Space through that heart. Feel the strength and power through those feet, through those legs. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, arms overhead. Maybe a gentle lean back. Exhale, take that gentle forward fold. Halfway up. Inhale. And exhale, release, forward fold. Gentle roll up here. On the inhale, send those shoulders forward. Exhale, down and back. Just flow through the breath a couple of times here. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, palms down. Inhale, overhead. Exhale to heart center. This one here. Inhale. Exhale, take your gentle forward fold. Find your flat back, hands to shins or blocks. Inhale. Exhale, release. Flow through your version of chaturanga, whatever that may look like today. Maybe releasing those knees. Deepen breath, lunge forward, exhale as you release. Inhale, find your baby cobra or full up dog. Take your inhale. Into exhale, down dog, hips are high. Deepen breath. Exhale, let that go. Again, inhale. Into exhale, let's release those knees to the mat. So gently walking your knees forward, coming onto those sit bones. Releasing the legs ahead of you. It's always the option for a seated forward fold. Maybe you raise those hips with a blanket or bolster pillow if you feel like that back is rounding. So let's find that length through the back. Send that breath to the crown of the head. Inhale, exhale, gentle forward fold here. So no need to force, just let the body feel heavy. Allow the body to soften. And let the weight of the body do its thing. And let gravity take the body. And deepen breath. Exhale, gently roll up. Bring that right foot flat. We're going to find a seated twist here. Send the right fingertips to the back of the mat. Hug that left knee in. Find length through the back. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale, gently back to center. Release that right leg. Let's bring that left foot flat. Send the left fingertips to the back of the mat. Hug that left knee in. Deepen breath. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale, gently back through center. Let's send the feet flat to the mat. Take a gentle reach forward here. Inhale. Take a gentle reach forward here. Inhale. Exhale, gently release to your back. Give those knees a squeeze to heart center. Maybe some gentle sways here, filling through the back. Feeling the support beneath you. Gently back through center. Maybe head towards those knees on the inhale. Exhale, release the head, release those legs, finding your version of Shavasana today. Peace begins within yourself. Compassion and understanding begin within yourself. Practice living in the here and the now so that we can live every moment happily. To be free from regrets of the past, to be free from the fears of the future. Thich Nhat Hanh. If you have more time, of course, feel free to remain in Shavasana. Otherwise, beginning to find movement through hands and feet, fingers and toes. When you feel ready, bringing the feet flat to the mat. Slowly blinking those eyes open, finding some gentle sways here. And making your way to your side of choice, taking that moment of pause. And gently make your way up into your version of easy seat. On the inhale, sending the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. May we always meet ourselves with compassion, acceptance, love, and kindness, and do the same for all beings around us. Grateful to our bodies for allowing us to move into practice today. I'm grateful to share this practice with you. The light within me acknowledges the light within you. Thank you for practicing with me today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and or comment below. I would love to connect with you. Have a beautiful day.